Hello guys, Abdul is here. Happy Sunday, happy weekend. I hope everybody is doing well. Yeah, today, I'm in the rain right now. It's raining. You see? It's raining, man. It's raining. That's a good one. I'll get in my car, then we can talk more. I'm back. It's raining outside. It's raining very badly. Yeah, so how is the weekend? How is everybody weekend, I hope you are having a wonderful weekend with your family. Because today, I'm here to give you some 3 tips that can help you in your business to bring more traffic in your business. I know a lot of people are out there struggling to get lead, because lead is everything, traffic is everything. If you have business and you don't have people entry in your store and look what you have so that they can buy, and I don't think your business will be successful, because every business out there need a traffic. The traffic is like a people who come in there and look what you have. When they like it and they buy it, so they become your customer, they become your sales, So that's everybody want in his business. So I'm here to give you like 3 tips. I know if you do it very well, you are going to have a lot of lead in your business. Because I see a lot of people doing it and they are making it. I myself, and I do it, I get some attention from people, and I get a lot of comments on my video, on my everything, a lot of lead, I'm not gonna say it's gonna be easy, because life himself is not easy, but you have to make it easy, right, for you. Because when you make your mind that everything is very hard and you can't do it, I can't do it because I'm not that person, you will never succeed. Always try and believe yourself that you can do it better than other people. So that will give you more motivation for you to do more and be better with the way other people are doing. So it's gonna be easy for you. So don't stress yourself. Now, if I can do it, you can do it. We are all human beings, Because Tony Robinson said, you want the key to the happiness. You want the key to the happiness? I will summarize it up for you in one word. That one word is progress. So you have to be progress in whatever you're doing. You see, there are no shortcuts, because whatever we aim in life, it will always be related in 2 things: the skills that we have and the demand for those skills in the marketplace. So if you don't know how to do it, you can learn the skills and duplicate it. So everything is about learning. Facebook and YouTube have a lot of stuff. You can go there and learn how you can do a lot of stuff. So you can do it. Because that's where I used to do my research, to learn a lot of stuff. Going to Google, going to YouTube, and looking at other people, so that I'll be motivating myself and do. I don't want to keep you here for so long. But what I have for you today is like for 3 things. And if you do it, you're going to see a result. The one is attention. You know, attention is the first thing. Your attention will come with your title. Your title. Because before people will come and listen to you, they look at the title. Because if the title can help them in their business, they're going to stop and listen to you. So your title, you have to get attention to people with your title. And with your whatever you are saying, whatever you are selling, the presentation you are giving it to them, you have to make sure it's direct to that person, so that to the one person you are looking to buy your product. So attention is the very key. Yeah, like right now, you stop by and you are looking at what I'm saying. Because what? I got your attention with my presentation. Because you need it. Because everybody needs lead or something, you know. So I get your attention so that you can get more customers in your business. So you're going to stay and listen to the end. But stick with me to the end, and I have a good news story for you. Okay? So stick with me. So attention. And the number 2 is audition. Audition is did you ever scroll on your Facebook? You be scrolling and see a video that get into you, then you stop and click it and watch it, and that video make you stay and listen and watch it like a 2 minutes or 5 minutes. That's audition. That means the person gets your audition, because you stay and listen to what he's saying, what he's selling. So that's what you have to do. Because if you get attention to people, you have to let them stay and listen to you till the end. So you have to go direct to what you are saying, so that you will not lose the customer. Because if the person stay and listen to you, that means he gets your attention. Whatever you say, he want to listen till the end. So make sure you summarize everything for him to get him to sign up in your business or to buy your product. That is audition. And the third one is retention. Retention is like maybe let's say you have some mentor on your YouTube or maybe on your Facebook, and you are waiting for him to put another video so that you can go and get some value in it. That is retention. So whatever you're doing, whatever video you are doing, you have to have an audience, gather your audience, so that anytime you just step in, you are doing a live video, they are waiting for you to, because they know the time you are coming to make a live video. So they are waiting for you because what? You give them value. You are serving their solution for them. So they want to keep following you all the time. So they are going to wait for you. When you make a video, you see them, they click it, and they are listening to you again. That is retention. So that's the good things about business. You see, these 3 things, if you get good in it, you always gonna have a lot of lead a day. Maybe let's say you have like a 20 lead every day. Because of what? You are perfect in what you are doing. You pay, you giving people attention to come and listen to you. You you let them stay and listen to you. Because when they come, they listen to you. They are telling you, I'm here. What are you selling? I want to buy. So you have to sell it for them with your words. With your simple words that can get in them to let them buy whatever you are selling, whatever your product is. So that's the 3 things that can help you in your business. I hope you find the value in what I said. And if you like it, you can share. But the good news is, if you are out there struggle, looking for a legit company. Because I'm a rare person. So if you are listening to me, you are rare. So if you are out there struggling, looking for a company that you can learn how to do all this, how to duplicate all the 3 things I tell you to bring more customers in your business, or you are brand new, you don't know how you can make money online. This company that I'm in there, they teach you and you are still learning. You are learning and you are earning. That's the good thing about any company. You have to look out there. The company that you can learn the courses, the skills, and be perfect and make the money. But the same time, you are learning it and you are still earning. That's what you have to be doing. Because making money online is all about the skills. Learn the skills and follow the process. And you're gonna have $1,000 a day. $1,000 a day if you follow the process. Because this company is not gonna help. It's not gonna let you go out there alone, be struggle. You're gonna have your own coach that will help you out there, teach you how you can place your link, your head, how you can do your sales funnels, how you can do your posting. It's like anything. How you can create your landing page and everything. This company will do everything for you to be successful on the marketplace. So, if you are struggling out there, you need a real company, a legit company. Leave your comment below, or you can send me a message in my Facebook Messenger. I'm going to respond for you. I'm going to get back to you anytime. And if you have a question about all this one, you want to know about the company I'm talking about, leave your comment. You know, because this is legit. This can change your life. So, if you like this video, thank you. Share it for me and like it, so that some people out there who are struggling will see this video and they can benefit them. So thank you for listening to me. Have a great weekend. Bye.